How to change audio languages in YouTube videos. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can change the language of the YouTube videos. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your YouTube app and let's go ahead and play any videos. Now as you can see that this is the English language video. If you would like to change this video sound to any other specific language, tap onto the settings icon on your top right and tap on audio track. You can change into whichever language that you would like. And just like so, this is how you can do it. Also note that some videos might not have this feature, but if you have it, all you have to do is tap onto audio track and you can change it from there. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will see you soon in our next upload.